Welcome. You've probably yanked wild mint, purslane, or garlic mustard from your garden, thinking they're just weeds. But here's the twist. Many of these invaders are edible, nutrient-packed, and even medicinal. Today, I'll show you 10 invasive plants you can eat, how to ID them, and why they might just save you money, or your life. First up, purslane. You'll spot its thick, succulent leaves and reddish stems sprawling low to the ground. It thrives in tough conditions and is loaded with omega-3s, vitamins A and C. Eat it raw in salads for a lemony crunch, or toss it in a stir-fry. In a pinch, it's a wild superfood, nature's multivitamin. Don't overlook this powerhouse growing right under your feet. Next, garlic mustard, a forest invader with heart-shaped toothed leaves. Crush a leaf and you'll smell garlic instantly. Young spring leaves are best, spicy, garlicky, and perfect raw or in pesto. As it matures, cook the leaves to mellow the bitterness. Eating it helps control its spread. Good for you, good for the ecosystem. Just remember, young leaves for salads, older ones for cooking. A wild green with a punch. Japanese knotweed is a notorious invader, but its young shoots are edible. In spring, harvest the reddish asparagus-like stalks, tart and crisp like rhubarb. Peel, chop, and cook with sugar for pies or jams. Never eat mature stems. They're tough and inedible. Catch it early, and you turn a garden nightmare into a spring treat. One invader you'll want on your plate. Dandelion, the classic weed with every part edible. Young leaves are great in salads or boiled to reduce bitterness. Flowers can be eaten raw or fried as fritters. The root, roast and grind for a caffeine-free coffee substitute. Its bitterness is actually good for your liver. Dandelion is a survivor and a nutritional gold mine. Don't spray it, eat it. Lamb's quarters, or wild spinach, is everywhere. Look for diamond-shaped leaves with a white powdery coating underneath. Harvest young leaves and cook like spinach, rich in vitamins A, C, and calcium. Be sure of your ID, it has a toxic look-alike. It's free, abundant, and delicious. Wild greens don't get better than this. Chickweed forms lush mats in cool, shady spots. Look for small paired leaves and a single line of hairs on the stem. Eat it raw, mild, tender, and packed with vitamin C. Add to salads or smoothies for a fresh boost. Stick to young green patches for the best flavor. Wild amaranth, or pigweed, is a nutritional giant. Its leaves are protein-rich. Cook them to reduce oxalic acid. The seeds are edible too. Toast, grind, or cook as porridge. It's a grain and a green in one tough plant. Don't judge by the name. This weed is a survivor's staple. Forage it, and you'll never go hungry. Curly dock is easy to spot by its wavy-edged leaves. Harvest young leaves in spring. Double boil to reduce sourness. The seeds can be ground into a flour with a buckwheat flavor. It takes a little work, but it's a reliable wild food. Another weed worth knowing. Autumn olive is a shrub loaded with red speckled berries in fall. The berries are tart, sweeten after frost, and are packed with lycopene. Eat them raw or cook into jams and sauces. They're a vitamin C powerhouse, perfect for late-season foraging. Sometimes the best fruit is wild. Cattail is the supermarket of the swamp. Only harvest from clean water. These plants absorb pollution. Young shoots taste like cucumber. Eat raw or cooked. Collect pollen for flour and roast the roots for starch. Nearly every part is edible at some point in the year. From spring shoots to winter roots, cattail is a survival all-star. Nature's convenience store. Next time you reach for the hoe, pause, you might be holding dinner. These weeds are hidden resources, not just garden pests. Which have you seen? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more wild wisdom. Thanks for watching, and happy foraging.